Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Kamelia Nur Azzahra. I'm from Junior High School 125, Jakarta. I want a storytelling about the Rapunzel. Long ago, a king and a queen had the baby daughter named Rapunzel. With the golden hair contained magical healing power. A selfish old woman named Gothel kidnapped the baby and raised her in the tower somewhere hidden. Meanwhile, a young thief named Villain Rider had stolen something special from the king's castle, and the guard were after him. Suddenly, he saw the perfect hiding place, a tower, and he climbed to it. Rapunzel knocked him out with the frying pan, then she secretly hid the satchel he carried. Villain awoke and found himself tied at the chair with the Rapunzel golden hair. If Villain took her to see the outside world, she returned his satchel. Villain agreed to help, and Rapunzel and Villain enjoyed their adventure, but they were being chased by Mother Gothel and the guard. They passed. Rapunzel and Villain managed to escape them in the town, and Rapunzel realized that she is the lost princess. Later, Villain and Rapunzel were separated, and Mother Gothel captured Rapunzel. Suddenly, Villain arrived to rescue Rapunzel, but Mother Gothel hurt him badly. But before Rapunzel could act, Villain cut off her hair, which lost its magic, and without the magic, Mother Gothel quickly aged and turned to dust. Rapunzel was now free, but Villain was dying. One of Rapunzel's tears fell on Villain and began to glow, and held him. Villain brought Rapunzel back to the castle. The king and the queen rushed and embraced their lost princess. That night, the entire kingdom celebrated her return. Thank you so much.